Welcome to Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Today we're gonna knock out smoked jerked oxtails. Catch y'all at the grill. Welcome to Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. As I stated before, we're gonna jump into this smoked jerked oxtail.
All right, well, come on, tell me about it.
Tell you about it.
Yeah.
Alright, so first thing you want to start off with some nice premium oxtails. Do you know where oxtails come from? Or ox? Just in case you didn't know.
They come from the tail of the ox.
Yeah, it comes from the tail of the ox. So the first thing that we're going to do, because we're going to keep this real simple and get it onto the smoke, alright? Anywhere where you find some
I'm gonna take the cover off.
hard fat, I'm going to take it off.
No, you won't. See, that's what happens when rookies get up here.
So anyway, you see like some hard fat or anything like that, you want to kind of trim it off, alright? You want to trim it a little bit. Trim it down.
And it's easier to trim down if you have them like real cold.
Yeah, these kind of got into room temperature. But we gonna get it there. No, you don't want to lose a lot of your fat, because depending on how you want to do it, if you want to raise them and things of that nature, but that fat will render down so you can get the nice little braids on them if you want like some little au jus, anything like that to go on your rice when you cover the rice with it.
Oh yeah, I want that then.
Alright, so I'm gonna need you to go in there and cut some carrots, some celery, and some onions and things of that nature, and some Scotch bonnet peppers. Alright, you got that?
No, I ain't got that because I ain't the chef on this.
You the sous chef, so that means you got to get busy. Alright.
I'm the whiskey man on this.
Oh, you trying to take my plate?
Yeah.
Alright.
I got your spot flash.
Alright, so I'm not gonna bore you all with all the trimming, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll come back to you after we get through trimming these up, and I'll show you the next step.
Sound good, buddy. We'll catch you back in a minute. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues.
Welcome back to Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with Skip and the sous chefs. All right, so I actually got these all trimmed up and ready to go. So now we're about to season them. All right. So I've already got them separated into my pal and into Khalid pal. This is what he get right here.
Sounds good.
So what we're gonna do, man? I'm gonna hit it with this Caribbean Rhythms Oxtail Seasoning. All right, we're gonna start it off like that. We're gonna sprinkle it liberally on all of them. Make sure you get all the sides.
Smell good too. Yeah, it do smell good, don't it? That's enough, man. He learned a new word, y'all. He learned what liberal means about 10 months ago. Now he gotta use it all the time.
Yeah, so just make sure you get them covered all around. Front, side, back. Definitely got to hit the back. Got to hit it from the back. Then we're going to throw it into some Walkerswood jerk seasoning, all right?
All right. Gotcha.
And then after that, we going straight to the smoker.
Make sure you get my pal right, shawty.
I want to make sure
Get my pal right.
It don't matter, man. You got some oxtail nuggets. That's what you get.
I'm good with the nuggets.
All right. So we got those things seasoned up.
Yep. Smell good too.
It does smell good.
Then into the bag.
Oh man, you know what we need?
Don't worry about it. We ain't gonna bore you with this part either.
Yeah, we gonna season these things up. Then we're gonna get them in the pan, and we're gonna get them down to the smoke. All right, so when you get them in the walkers, you just want to massage it all in there. Get them like that. Make sure you cover them real good. Put them in the pan, then walk them to the smoker, where I have you further instructions. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. And comment, definitely comment.
Yeah.
And as you can see, I don't just drink all the time. I cook too sometimes. So tune in and keep watching, and you'll see my finished product.
You're going to see my finished product. 'Cause he catch you in a minute.
Welcome to Barbecue Bourbon and Blues. Now we are back. As you can see, the oxtails are nicely seasoned up. We season them up with Caribbean Rhythms dry rub. Then we hit them with that Walkerswood jerk seasoning and cover them real good in the bag. All right, but before we go any further with these oxtails, we get into my favorite part of the show. What I normally do, but we're gonna let this rookie do it today. So what you got for us today, man?
Well, today, listen, today I got one of my favorites, Uncle Nearest, all right? Now, Uncle Nearest here is one of the best whiskey makers that you probably never heard of until recently. Nearest Green, all right?
Okay.
So, Nearest Green was the one who taught your favorite, Jack, how to make his whiskey.
Yeah,
all right?
Uncle Nearest Green was the master distiller for
He
Jack
was
for
the
years.
master. Yeah, he just wanted to taught Jack Daniels
Yeah.
everything that he
Right.
knew.
Well,
Right.
almost everything. You know, a master never tells everything.
That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
You're absolutely right about that. So-
And he was a slave.
and he was a slave. That
I
is
remember
correct.
that.
Hold on. And he was actually an Overton too.
Oh,
Okay.
well,
I didn't know that
I
part.
didn't know that
History.
part.
Well, man, why don't we have some stock in the business?
I don't think they trading on the open market yet.
Right.
But when they are, I'm gonna get me some. Okay, so we're gonna get into this Uncle Nearest, man. As you can see, it's a nice, warm amber color. All right,
Okay.
and it's gonna have notes of caramel, fruit, wood,
What kind of fruit?
apple, things of that nature.
Okay.
Yeah. What else you want to know about it? All right. So
what you know?
yeah, vanilla. So it's gonna be real good.
Is
Okay.
that to the palate or is that to the nose?
That's the both, the palate and the nose.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start here.
Man, don't let the rookie do this no more.
Yeah. All right. So Uncle Nearest is rolling in at about was it about 47, 45%?
It's about
alcohol?
46. Yeah.
It's about 93 proof. All right.
Yeah, it is 93 proof. Okay. Yeah, I see you.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I had to tell you that. You didn't know.
Man, I spit that so effortless.
Yeah, because I told you just a
You
second
didn't
ago.
tell me nothing, man. Fix my drink.
All right, so now that we done, smells. What you getting to the palate, Chris? What you getting to the nose?
Man, fix my drink.
Yeah, I gotta teach him something. You just need
Oh,
another
so
taste.
this is what we doing today?
Yeah, that's your taste.
Okay.
I woke up and
That's
chose
what the old
violence.
people call a nip.
He just needs to smell it.
Yeah, because as you can see, if you watched the last episode, you would know he done drunk 4 of my bottles while I've been gone for a month
Man,
traveling.
Come on.
All right, so what you getting on the smell? You can't
I ain't
smell
getting no
nothing.
more the oxygen because ain't nothing in the cup.
Well, I get the caramel, I get some vanilla, I get the apple, I get all of that.
Yeah, I get
I
a
ain't
hit.
getting none of that.
You ain't
What-
getting none
what
of that.
you
What
get?
you getting?
Liquor.
It's brown.
Brown liquor.
All right, y'all. Well, hey, here's the Word Brothers Barbecue, and all the June birthdays out there.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the channel. All right. Here we go.
Got a little sugar cookie in there.
All right, as you can see, we having fun, man. It's my first weekend back in about a month, so we having fun today.
It is pretty
Hey,
good.
yeah, it's real good. I appreciate
Yeah,
y'all
terrible.
tuning in. We'll catch back up with you in a few minutes and show you what to do with these oxtails, all right?
Definitely.
Catch you at the smoke.
You got your Black and Miles ready? Because I know that's what you finna pair this with.
I ain't paying this with no black and mild.
That's what you normally smoke. Me, I'm gonna smoke this Placentia in just a second.
Placenta.
That ain't how you say that, but okay. We'll catch y'all in a minute.
He don't know what he got.
He don't know what he got. He just got something. That's what we gonna call that. Something.
Yeah, no, I pronounced it correctly.
Okay. All right. If he thinks so, we'll catch y'all back in a minute. Barbecue, Bourbon, and Blues with the Word Brothers and my homeboy Chris Overton.
Welcome to Barbecue, Bourbon and Blues. We are back at the Smoky Mountain, Weber Smokey Mountain smoker, all right? We get ready to throw our oxtails on there. Take this off, man, watch yourself. All right, we're gonna place these on here. We're gonna let them roll at about 250 degrees for about a total of probably about 3.5 hours. Midway in between, you want to come in and check them, you know, and flip them over so they can get a nice cook on both sides. All right, and see, I'm gonna put the little ones. These little pieces gonna fit right here in the middle.
Mm-hmm. That won't be done by 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her straight to them, let them taste it. All right, so we got it on now. We gonna get ready to let the thing smoke, let it do what it do. We got some Kingsford charcoal and some hickory smoked wood in there, all right? All right. So, with that said, we're gonna cover them up. We're gonna get back into our little sipping of the Uncle Nearest and wait. With the magic of time, you'll see the finished product. Catch you later.
Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends and family. We'll see y'all in a minute. All right, welcome back. We're back here doing our smoke jerk oxtail episode.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, with our Uncle Nearest.
Yeah, I seen somebody get to fighting with Uncle Nearest earlier today
With
and
dog?
got knocked out.
Who? Nearest Green.
No, yeah, the Nearest Green didn't get knocked out.
Nah, I know he ain't getting knocked out.
R.W. Senior.
Well, you know, sometimes things just happen. I don't know.
But
nothing
he's
about
supposed to be the karate champ
He won the Kumite, they say.
in 1976. But Uncle Nearest said this 2022. All right. Nevertheless, hey, we did the smoked the smoked jerked oxtail. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I'm finna go and pull one off, man, and we gonna test it out to see how it is,
Well,
man.
let's do it. Let's
We
do
gonna
it.
do it.
They've
All
been
right, man.
resting for a minute.
They've been resting for a minute. I'm gonna give you the honors of look on chopping that thing up, man. To oh, wait a minute. No, that's me. There you go. You got to chop that up. That's you right there.
Better watch it. All right, here we go.
Let's see.
Ooh, super tender. Look at
Thing
that.
is tender, man, and it's looking good.
And I'm gonna cut. Look at that. Ooh.
Man, no.
I'm
Quit
touching
touching all over.
I'm touching all over for a reason to make sure you don't try to do nothing funny. Nah, but for real though, you can see if we brought these up to what temperature, Skip?
We brought them up to about 200 degrees. You know what I mean? So they should be nice and tender, man. They
nice
still
and tender.
juicy.
Yeah.
And the au jus that I made with it, man, it wasn't nothing but some basic red stripe beer. I just dropped a red stripe beer on top of that Walkerswood jerk seasoning.
Yeah.
Along with the Caribbean Rhythm Oxtail Seasoning.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see what it
Let's
tastes
see what
like.
it's hitting on.
You see, man, this thing is real tender. We didn't have to put them in no Dutch oven or anything of that nature.
Nope.
Throw them on the oven. Throw them on the grill. Let them smoke for about 3 hours and a half. That's what we did on it. About 3 hours and a half.
It's like butter, baby. Yeah.
Now, this thing is ripe. Now, you might want to chop you up some celery, carrots, and things of that nature, and throw in this braise from the red stripe beer that we had on it. Oh man, and throw it over some rice. You got a winner right here.
You
for
working
sure.
with something.
You working with something. This right here is right.
Yes, sir.
I did that. I did that.
Who told you to do that?
Now y'all
I
know
did
he
that.
did none of that.
I did that.
But that's neither here nor there.
Who bought
yeah.
the oxtail?
I don't know who
Other than
bought
that, he was gonna get some hot dogs.
As you can see, my birthday month is continuing. I'm glad to be back. I've been gone for about 4 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad to be back, man. We done knocked out some episodes.
And sipped on some good Uncle Nearest.
Yeah, here's some good Uncle Nearest. He was on some Boone Farm earlier. I don't know what Pop was on, but all I know is Nearest Green took him down. That's all I know.
Mr. Nearest. He got
Yeah.
called him Mr.
Mr. Green.
Mr. Uncle Nearest.
Yeah. So, get you some oxtails. Go get you some Uncle Nearest.
Wow.
Get that Walkerwood jerk season. Hey,
You can get the mild or hot.
mild or hot. Now, this is what I tell y'all. When it comes to, if you want to do some quick jerk,
That's it.
that's the best on the market. Go get that Walkerwood. Get you some jerk seasoning.
Mm-hmm.
And do your
That
thing with it.
Caribbean Rhythm. Go to K&S, the international store on Nolanville Road, and get that Caribbean Rhythm Oxtail Seasoning throwing them.
That's only here in Nashville, but you know,
Yeah,
and wherever you are, just do what you do.
yeah.
Do it the way
Find
you
your
like.
own international store. Like,
Do it the way you like it. I always say, do it the way you like it. This is the way we like it. We like it a little spicy. So, as usual, the recipes will be in the description down below.
Yeah, don't
we
forget to
appreciate y'all tuning
like,
in.
subscribe, comment, and share the channel. And I'm finna go in and make some rice. We'll see how good he can cook rice.
I ain't making no rice. What I'm about to do is, you might well get me to be. Hey, I'm about to be on purple alert because I'm about to throw up the hooks and march all around the neighborhood.
And then
That's what I'm about to do.
He gonna get knocked out.
It ain't gonna be about one of them.
All
Now,
right.
seriously, all right. So we'll catch y'all on the next episode, man. We really appreciate y'all tuning in.